He's not working today.
Got the day off.
No, he's not working till later.
Oh, it is later, isn't it?
I don't think he goes into. He doesn't go until 2 or 3. It's only 12:15.
Oh, it's early.
So he's getting geared up. This time he did it right. He zipped up first, then put the helmet on, then put the gloves on.
That's how you do it?
Well, you don't ass backwards it like you did before.
Take the petcock on too?
You need to see if you find another one of those with XL, so I can have my old jacket back. It's my favorite jacket before the accident, and the ambulance took scissors to my. There you go. That's it.
Somewhere in that area.
Yeah, that's it.
It's max and fuel flow.
Right off his ponytail.
So that works.
The Native American ponytail. Something must be going on. I haven't. I had a scooter go down. It's been a few minutes. He's getting ready to start up and go putz around.
Hey, the oil light's on.
That's an unusual sound. Something starts up right away that he's worked on. Oh, wait a second. Of course, you've got to burn through the old gas before he gets to the nasty, there you go. Make a noise. Turn around here. Once he gets out of the zone, you'll hear it fire up. No? There he goes. That's Tatro racing. They'll come up with some other rule that anyhow, that's him gone. I'm gonna go watch some races.